Hello everybody and welcome. I've got another flip through for you. This you may recall we've seen already. It's the Teeny Tiny journal. And this one you may have seen also. It's the Tiny journal. Not teeny tiny, that's this one. This one's tiny. And this one, we're approximating normal size. It's not as large as the journals that I usually make. I think it is, in fact, I can tell you what it is. It's 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. And it's a nice size. I like the feeling of these size journals in my hand, actually. So let's pop these two away somewhere for safekeeping. And let's have a look through this one, shall we? Well, you may have seen something similar to this. I've done this sort of page before, and I really, really liked it. And I thought it was worthy of repeating. So it's music paper with one of these beautiful, I don't know what they're called, daisies perhaps, stickers on it. And it didn't need any more, I didn't think. I just really liked that. The spine is Hessian with some black lace on it, and the back cover is absolutely unadorned. It's just plain. And I like it that way, then it doesn't get caught on anything when you're moving it. It has no tie at all. It doesn't need one. It sits perfectly closed like that. So let's have a look inside then. Right, well, this is a bit different. Yes, what you can see here is this, which I've taken to calling a keep, and a journaling card. And the journaling card has attached to it a tiny little tag that says Diary of Events and a little key. And it's just held on by a piece of hemp through a little eyelet there. There's a fair bit of stitching in this journal, and that's stitched around. Music paper again with a little sticker over it. And this reveals this. So let's open it and see what's inside. Okay. Very nice. So here we've got two pockets. They've got butterflies on the flaps, a little bit of decoration along here. Open them up. What have we got? Ooh, little journaling card. Oh, very nice. So that just fits down into there. They're all sewn around. And then behind that, we've got a journaling card. This one says specimen. And this one's the same, got some journaling in there. Journaling card here, this one says collect. So those journaling cards just fit into there perfectly. Then here in the middle section, we've got a notebook with lots of pages in it, loads. It is a proper notebook, proper. And this is just to hook the back page under, and then it all tucks into there. Keeps it very neat and safe. And then this page, it's a side pocket, another floral sticker, and then this journaling card, music paper with another floral sticker and a tab there. That just tucks into there. So that folds over like that. Then here we've got an acetate window with a tag, butterfly on it that you can see through the acetate window. That folds up like that. That folds down. Is that right? No, that folds down. That folds like that, and then it just gets tied together again. Got a little tag on the bottom of the strings, and the journaling card fits in there like so. Then we come to the journal itself. Now this is the first time that I've done this. I haven't used coffee stained paper or different papers or anything. I have literally used paper, ordinary paper. It's cream in colour. I don't know if you're picking that up, but it is cream. And there are lots of pages. So it is really a proper journaling journal. And this here echoes the front cover music page with a daisy sticker on, so you can use that. That's Timmy paper there. And then in the back, what do we have? Well, that's on a magnet. And here we have another little notebook. So this is the third, I think, in the book. And once again, this is a proper notebook. And here we have a label on there, a sticker. Yeah, it's just nice. The ends of the threads have got little doodahs on them. And that just goes into there. This belly band on here. Like so. And then this flips open, and here we've got a little side tuck. Excuse me, tucked into there is some journaling, and it's just beautiful. I love it. That's it. Isn't it pretty? It's so nice. So the back of that is all journaling. It just folds up and it tucks into there, like so. Then here we have a little bit more journaling, just a sticker on there that opens up, and then there's journaling here, all down there. It's all sewn around, very pretty. And then in the back we have a pocket with some mushrooms on, a little envelope with a butterfly on, and some journaling inside there. And this journal card here, specimen card with a rose on, journaling on the back of there, they tuck into there like that. Then here we've got an acetate window with a butterfly behind, some bits of Tim Holtz little ephemera, a tag in there. I made this background paper, it's just got some lace and some hemp there, and that just tucks into there so you can see the butterfly. And then that folds down, that folds closed, and that just clicks onto there like that. And there we have it. There is our journal. So it's a real writer's journal, although it is pretty also, quite botanical. So that's that one. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you like it. It's a bit different from the ones I normally make, but it's really practical. You could really use that. So I probably will be implementing that plan a bit more, because it just makes sense to me that you can actually journal in a journal. So thanks for watching. I'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye.